What's going on, guys? Marcus from Wall Street Assassins back at it again with another video. Hopefully you guys checked out my last video where I went over my trade recap on my SPY short play. Make sure you guys check that out. But let's cover up some few stocks that I'm watching this upcoming week. The market has basically done a U-turn on us, right? We basically were dropping heavily before. This is the 20-day 1-hour chart. You can see within 20 days, the SPY has went from 454 to a low of 425, and it seems to be looking for a possible bounce. So definitely want to come into Monday watching this area over here, this 434 level, right? 434 seems to be very important because we pushed up. You can see this red candle had some type of rejection over here. We're kind of going sideways, so I want to see a break at least above 435, and then we could start possibly pushing up towards 437. 437 is the 20-day SMA, which you guys know that SMA can act as resistance and support. We've seen it act as resistance over here, seen it act as resistance over here. We've seen it act as support. So definitely want to watch that level for a possible caution area. And if we start to look for any type of downtrend, looking for the break of 433 down towards 431. I think once we break 433, which has been support multiple times in the past over here, I think once we break that level, we could start basically pulling back down towards 431, which was a resistance area. So that resistance area should become support afterwards. And if we break that, we can have more possible downside. So just watch out for that. We have pushed up, but if we look at the overall larger trend of the overall stock, it has been mostly down. Not saying trying to be a bear right now, but I just saying just to be cautious and weigh your options going into Monday, all right? A few stocks we want to watch. Let's jump over towards Tesla with positive delivery news. So definitely want to look at Tesla this upcoming week. I think if we start to get above 782, we can start possibly pushing back up towards the notorious 799 level. So watch out for that. If not, a break below 773, we can start dropping down towards 766. It is sitting on top of the 20-day SMA, acting as some type of support. So just keep an eye on Tesla tomorrow. And then let's jump over to Moderna. So Moderna has basically been dropping. They haven't basically got approved. So Pfizer's approved. Moderna's not really approved. And I think that Moderna may have got ahead of itself. If we look at the 180-day, most of these vaccine stocks are not trading around 500. You can see that Moderna was basically trading at 117, shot up towards 498, and kind of been going sideways from there. Like I said before, whenever I see a stock go sideways, that is a fight right there, right? Typically, when a stock pushes up and start going sideways, that is basically a battle with, where the buyers are basically losing. So we can see that we had that downward trend. We want to see a break of 344 before we can start pushing up towards 362. If not, I want to see a break below 336 down towards this 323, basically like a reverse gap fill over here. So definitely want to watch out for Moderna. It's been falling, very oversold, but still good one to watch. Next one I want to talk about is Apple, right? So Apple basically has news, right? They have these new products out, but it's been basically falling with the overall market. So we want to keep an eye on Apple. You can see it's trying to bounce. We have this one green candle over here. I think once we break above 142.78, which has been support before. So once we break that level, we can start pushing up towards 144. If not, I'll look for a break of 141 down towards this previous low of 139. So keep an eye on Apple. Facebook, tons of media attention on Facebook, seems to be everywhere. So definitely want to watch Facebook, right? We want to watch to see, it's been dropping. It looks like it's finding some type of support around this 439 level. I think if we start to break above, not 439, 339. If we start to break above that 345, we can start pushing up towards 355. If not, we start to break below 339. We could start breaking down towards 334. So watch out for that. And last but not least, Lucid. So Lucid said they're delivering cars this month and they're making cars this month. So they have a heavy task at hand. Nothing has happened yet. It seems like everybody's just waiting for some type of news to pop out. Soon as, I believe, once we start getting delivery numbers on this stock, the stock should show some type of volatility. whether up or down, whether it be positive delivery numbers or negative delivery numbers. So definitely keep Lucid on your watch list throughout this month, just in case we get some type of news, and set your alerts this way. You don't have to be watching it, but say if you have your computer on and you hear your alert, now you could basically be aware that Lucid is moving. I think above 25.81, you could start pushing up towards 28.23. If not, a break below 24, we could start dropping down towards 22. So just watch out for Lucid. And that's going to be it. Hopefully you guys enjoy your weekend. Check my last video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.